In this video, we'll learn how to send mutual introductions to your clients. This feature allows matchmakers to send introductions to both clients in one go. In this example, we are looking at Adam Fox's matches. Say, we'll want to send an intro of Lauren Bloom to Adam, and vice versa. You'll want to click the three dots across Lauren Bloom's match, then select Send Mutual Intro. You will be given the option to select which information of each client you'll want to send to each other, but in separate correspondence. Make sure that the preset fields you're using is the one you intended and have set for introductions. Once you've selected all the information, including the photos, if you're on the premium subscription, you'll want to click Next. Now, this is the part where you're creating the email that will be sent to your clients, including the introduction. You have the option to send separate message to each recipients or copy or CC both recipients in the same email. In this example, we want to send separate emails to both Adam and Lauren, so we'll select the option to send separate message to recipients. From your email templates, select the ones you created for sending intros. You'll want to do this for both recipients. You can click on the hyperlink called Available Field Shortcodes to personalize the email for each recipient. When everything looks good on your end, you may now click the blue Send button. This will send separate emails to both Adam and Lauren, which would include the introductions you've sent for each of them. Depending on your intro settings, which we have covered in a separate training video, the introduction will be presented either in web link format or in email format. And that, my friends, is how you send your mutual introductions to your clients. If you find this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button and share it with your fellow matchmakers. Thank you so much for watching.